Hello friends, I am Jitendra Singh, founder JS Global, the Overseas Education Specialist. दोस्तों आज हम बात करने वाले हैं MBA के बारे में, यानी कि मास्टर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। दोस्तों MBA आपको भी पता है, एवरीबडी नोज इट कि दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर प्रोग्राम वर्ल्ड वाइड, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया। बट फ्रेंड्स, अभी की अगर हम ट्रेंड की बात करें तो देयर हैज बीन लॉट ऑफ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स विच आर गोइंग ऑन फॉर द एडमिशंस इन वेरियस IIMs एंड अदर B schools इन इंडिया। अगर बात करें तो कैट के अलावा CMAT, NMAT, SNAP, ZET और लाखों विद्यार्थी जो हैं वो हर साल इन एग्जाम्स के थ्रू अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए MBA में एडमिशन लेने के लिए प्रयास करते हैं। दोस्तों आज हम इसी सिलसिले में बात करने वाले हैं कि व्हाट आफ्टर दिस एग्जाम्स। अगर ओवरऑल दोस्तों रजिस्ट्रेशन की बात करें तो अभी अभी कैट एग्जाम्स हुआ है एंड अगर उसकी बात करें तो समवेयर अराउंड 2.5 लाख स्टूडेंट्स हैज अपीयर्ड फॉर दिस एग्जाम्स। बाकी एग्जाम्स जो मैंने जिनके बारे में बताया वो भी सारे अभी पाइपलाइन में है, कुछ हो चुके हैं, कुछ होने वाले हैं। नाउ द थिंग इज दैट आफ्टर दिस एग्जाम्स रिजल्ट विल बी आउट एंड स्टूडेंट्स विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू टेक एडमिशन इन वन ऑफ दीज कॉलेजेस। हम लोग यही कंपैरिजन आज करने वाले हैं कि इफ एनी स्टूडेंट्स who is getting admissions or who is trying to get admission in top business schools. So if it is fine if you are getting admissions in one of the top IIMs or top tier schools or business schools in India. Now the question comes to mind is कि अगर बाकी विद्यार्थी जो बहुत सारे हैं, लाखों की संख्या में हैं, if they are looking for top business schools and if they are not getting IIMs or top tier schools, then what? They have certainly options of getting into 2-tier और 3-tier institutes. मैं इसी डिफरेंस के बारे में आज आपसे बात करने वाला हूं दोस्तों। Now we'll be comparing what exactly is the avenues which are available for you if you are looking for 2-tier or 3-tier business schools in India, and what will be the classification also, and what will be the comparison. So friends, we were talking about 3-tier institutes which are offering you seats once you are through your exams. And now you have an option to even join them or not to join. Now what they are offering, the 3-tier institutes. Friends, you have to pay anywhere between 15 to 20 lakhs of fees. You might get an MBA degree or sometimes it is just a PGDM also. Now the second thing is you will be getting a very limited kind of industry exposure. The curriculum might not be that high also, that good also, which is really required to shape your future. And the third thing is that even the alumni network is not so strong. So now, friends, in such a situation, what will be your step forward? Now, I have something for you which I can give you an idea. Now, friends, see, if you are ready to pay 15 to 20 lakh rupees and really looking forward to shape your future, options to do MBA from abroad is a absolutely fantastic options. And friends, no, please don't get me wrong. I'm not talking about very expensive business schools of USA, UK or any other country, right? Friends, I have a mind to to tell you something which is about top business schools in France. Friends, business schools in France offer 2 years of MBA degree where you don't require to clear even CAT, SNAT, ZET or any kind of these exams. Your interview, your academics will be a kind of eligibility criteria. Almost the same fee structure which you are ready to pay for 3-tier institute in India. And these institute, the BB schools, are one of the top institutes in the world and will be having a high ranking also. I'm just talking about QS world ranking, and these B schools will be ranking somewhere between 600 to 1000 world. And this ranking, you also know, friends, they are even higher than some of the ranking of our even IIMs. And the best part is, friends, the kind of industry exposure you will be getting. Out of these 2 years, entire of 1 year will be certainly on-job industry exposure, and that will be further, it will be paid to you also. And then, if you are talking about that ROI, friends, what you can do in India, it will be like very easy for you. Once you will be, you're completing your MBA degree, just to recover your money which you have invested, I think it will be easily recoverable within 1 to 2 years of your employment. So friends, based on these criteria, I would strongly suggest that if even after your total hard work, sincerity, and dedication, if you are not getting into IIMs or top tier institute in India, please don't compromise and go to any 3-tier institute which doesn't offer you any value or quality. Instead, just think of foreign education, and especially for the business management courses, France is one of the top 3 countries where one of the top business education is provided. For further information, you can connect with JS Global. So friends, thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.